Alone? It's actually called Crazy.
It's actually called Lado.
Oh, you know what? Let's clear out the the credits of who made the songs inside the PBB House. Kasi I keep seeing I keep seeing wrong incorrect credits. So let's start with See You Happy Original. Okay. See You Happy Original is the full Tagalog and Bisaya song.
Yung influencer task. The original.
Remember influencer task?
Yeah. So, ang nag-compose nun, Kuya Bensoy, Kai Rain. And
her contribution is the chorus.
Yeah.
Cause I wanna see you happy, kay ikaw akong one and only. Yun. Sa verse, the first verse, basta everything else, Kuya Bensoy. My only contribution was the ending. Cause I wanna see you happy, bisag wa ko nimo gipili. And I also helped with arranging it.
Yeah, ako naman sa mga lyrics. So next naman, See You Happy na revised.
See You Happy revised. The first verse, Kuya Bensoy.
Same lang naman.
Oh.
Ang nadagdag lang yung kang Jaren Before Sleeping in the Evening.
And mine.
And yung Cause I wanna that's Kai's.
And then yung Before Sleeping in the Evening, that's Jaren's. Jaren's what do you call that? Verse. Tapos chorus, same thing. Pagkabuntag, ikaw ang nasa huna-huna, Kuya Bensoy. Cause I wanna see you
Kaisha.
happy. Mine. That's my verse. And then, same again. Tapos, ano pa? See You Happy musical. It's just the same thing. Basta the last one, my part was still my part. The Bisan wa ko nimo gipili. That was still my part, but it's not that major. Next song.
See You Happy.
Alod.
Lord. That's Kuya Bensoy and Kaisha.
Yeah. Alod, Kuya Bensoy, most of it was Kuya Bensoy. My only contribution is kwan. Bisan wa ka diri na gihapon ka sa dugan. Next. Ano pa? My God.
Kaya nga nagtago tapos magre-react ka.
Ano pa?
Yung Lado. Crazy.
Lado.
Since the day
That we met, I can't believe that we met. That's actually called Lado. Kasi Mark always says Lado, which means crazy in Tagalog. English. So, naging crazy.